Giovanni Angelo Becciu is an Italian prelate of the Roman Catholic Church. Pope Francis made him a cardinal on 28 June 2018. On 24 September 2020, he resigned the rights associated with the cardinalate. An archbishop since 2001, he held several appointments in the diplomatic service of the Holy See between 1984 and 2011, including those of apostolic nuncio to Angola and to Cuba, appointed by Pope Benedict XVI and confirmed by Pope Francis. From 10 May 2011 to 29 June 2018 he was substitute for General Affairs in the Secretariat of State, a key position in the Roman Curia. He was head of the Congregation for the Causes of Saints from 31 August 2018 to 24 September 2020, when he resigned from that office and from the rights and privileges of a cardinal, including the right to participate in a papal conclave. After being implicated in a financial corruption scandal, he retains the title of cardinal. In July 2021, a Vatican judge ordered Becciu and 9 others to stand trial on charges of embezzlement, abuse of office, and subornation. The charges are in connection with an investment in London real estate. Becciu said he was innocent and the victim of a conspiracy. Becciu's trial will be the first criminal trial of a cardinal in a Vatican court. Becciu was born in 1948 in Patada, Sardinia, Italy. After completing his studies in theology and philosophy, he was ordained to the priesthood on 27 August 1972. He attended the Pontifical Ecclesiastical Academy, where he earned a doctoral degree in canon law. He entered the diplomatic service of the Holy See on 1 May 1984. He worked at the missions in Central African Republic, Sudan, New Zealand, Liberia, Great Britain, France, and the United States. Becciu knows French, English, Spanish, Sardinian, and Portuguese. On 15 October 2001, Pope John Paul II appointed him Apostolic Nuncio to Angola and titular Archbishop of Riccioli. On 15 November he was appointed Apostolic Nuncio to São Tomé and Príncipe as well. He received his episcopal consecration on 1 December 2001 from Cardinal Angelo Sodano with co-consecrators Archbishop Paolo Romeo, a Vatican diplomat, and Bishop Sebastiano Sanguinetti, who hailed from Becciu's native diocese in Sardinia. Becciu played a crucial role in the controversial 2005 appointment of Filomeno do Nascimento Vieira Dias, then auxiliary bishop of Luanda, as Bishop of Cabinda, because he was not from Cabinda and because of his family links to the regime of José Eduardo dos Santos. Vieira Dias's appointment was met with massive protests by Cabindan Catholics, and his installation was delayed for well over a year. The controversy around Vieira Dias's nomination resulted in the beating of apostolic administrator Eugenio Dal Corso while he was preparing to celebrate Mass, the suspension of a number of priests, and a protracted strike in which many Cabindan clergy refused to celebrate Mass for several months. In response, Becciu emphasized that Vieira Dias's nomination was a matter of papal prerogative and would not be revoked. Becciu went to Cabinda in order to meet with Dal Corso and with local clergy and laypeople. His meeting with laypeople was hostile, and his car was stoned by a crowd. Vieira Dias's installation ultimately took place in June 2006, in advance of Benedict XVI's 2009 visit to Angola. Becciu defended the Pope's rejection of condoms as a means of preventing the spread of AIDS, saying, "It's too easy and it's very cheap to say the solution of AIDS is the condom. You don't have the solution there. So what the Pope is saying is that we must surpass this. Because AIDS means there is a lack of understanding of the concept of true love between men and women. Because of that, many times we are not of the same thinking as NGOs." As he left Angola for his next assignment, Becciu denounced popular belief in witchcraft that led to children being accused as sorcerers and abused. The charges are a frequent practice on the African continent and they must be eliminated. On 23 July 2009 Pope Benedict named him Apostolic Nuncio to Cuba. Becciu's selection for this challenging role was seen by observers as a sign of his high reputation. In Rome, Cuban President Raúl Castro praised his work on behalf of improved relations between Cuba and the Holy See. In January 2015, after Cuba and the United States announced efforts to improve their relationship, Becciu, now the substitute of the Secretariat of State, expressed his support for an end to the U.S. embargo, citing the right of peoples not to be deprived of daily economic and social subsistence. He credited the thaw in relations to Pope Francis and said that he expected the Cuban government to introduce a less centralized economic system. On 10 May 2011, Pope Benedict XVI appointed Becciu to the office of Substitute for General Affairs in the Secretariat of State, replacing Fernando Filoni. The Substitute for General Affairs reports to the Cardinal Secretary of State. He usually met with